Are you looking for a way to modernize your house? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, we're going to be looking at a smart deadbolt from Yamiry. You can use your fingerprint. Let's go. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a product from Yamiry. It's a smart deadbolt. That's right, protect your house with technology, other than the Terminator or whatever, like Skynet. No! Well, this smart deadbolt allows you to use your fingerprint, allows you to use a smartphone, codes, an RFID card, and a key. Everything. Pretty much any way you could think of to use on a door lock, this comes with it. Yamiry, you guys. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing. So, Brad!
Make your home smart. You can unlock it with a smartphone, a fingerprint scanner, a key code, a card, as well as a key. So, let's get it out of the box. That's what we're here to do. Yeah, on top we have some paperwork, as well as a drill template. Let's hope we don't have to use that though, but if we need to, we have it. Paperwork tells you how to install everything, how to operate, program your keys, all that good stuff. We got some foam protectant on top. Then we have the actual door locking kit. This is great. Here's one of the plates. This is the plate with the numbers, the fingerprint scanner, as well as your key port. So that's great. It's got a nice weather seal on it. Electronics. Let's get that out. Now we have the other side with the deadbolt lever on it. Some nice branding right there. Of course, 4 AA batteries will go in right here. A reset button. And there's the holes where the screws will go through. Get that back on there. And then we have the back side of that plate, with some nice weather sealing, of course. Then we've got a little white box in here. Let's see what we have inside of it. Looks like this striker and kit. Everything for the door striker. So that's good to have. Put that over to the side. Then we have our screws. Spare screws. As well as the cards and key. So we got 2 keys and 2 cards we can use with this deadbolt, and that is everything you get right out of the box. So let's go get this on the door and see how well it works.
This is a keyless entry door lock. Yamiry's smart locks for the front door can unlock with biometric fingerprints, a phone app, the keypad code, an RFID card, and a regular key. It supports connection with Wi-Fi gateways for remote control and Alexa voice control. That's right, you can use your voice to unlock your house. But the Wi-Fi gateway is sold separately, so do check out their website. It's got an easy installation program and does not require any drilling. It fits a door thickness from a 1 3/8 inch up to a 2-inch hole. Stainless steel frames, over 200,000 crash tests. It's sturdy and durable, ideal for household use. No need to drill an extra hole or change your door. It's easily replaceable with the existing deadbolt with a screwdriver in just a couple minutes. It's got a convenient security keypad on this deadbolt. Quickly lock and unlock manually through the keypad. The smart deadbolt lock comes with an automatic door lock. This assures that the door is always locked behind you. Anti-peep passwords. It supports entering random digits before and after real passcodes to protect your privacy. You can manage the entire smart door lock via the app. The TT Lock app allows you to lock and unlock the door. You can view access records, get electronic door lock battery status, easily share permanent, timed, or scheduled access e-keys and passcodes with everybody. Yamiry, this thing is awesome. We've really enjoyed it. Doing the fingerprints is always super cool. This thing is science. Yamiry, thank you. But we want to give a huge shout out to Yamiry for sponsoring this video and allowing us to share this awesome product with you guys. And make sure to let us know in the comments below what you think of this product. And also, do you use any smart locks or smart door devices or anything like that around your house? We want to know. So let us know where there's comments on what your security path is. But as always, thank you guys for watching Good Tech Cheap, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Alexa, lock the door. And also, if you could, turn off the camera.